My name is Hoke Currie. I'm a principal consultant at Rural Sourcing, and I lead the Java development practice here in Augusta. There's a 5-point test that your organization should use to determine if you're ready to move to the cloud. If you can get through these 5 issues, then you're probably ready to go. Number 1 is data. In order to move to the cloud, the first thing you have to understand is what data is going to move. And it's not just understanding the data, it's understanding the complete life cycle of that data. You need to know where your data comes from, how it gets to your organization, and where it goes from your organization. Test number 2 is if you have any legacy blockers. And when I say a legacy blocker, I mean an attachment to a piece of software or hardware or some other part of your infrastructure or system that you are absolutely dependent on and can't move to the cloud with. If you can't find a way to move past these systems, then you'll be blocked from ever getting to the cloud. Test number 3 is organizational blockers. You shouldn't always have to say this, but it does always have to be thought about when you're looking at moving to the cloud. You need to make sure that the people in your organization are ready for that change, and that especially applies to your information technology staff. Security blockers is the 4th test, and it's the one that we hear about most often when people say why they can't move to the cloud. They have personal healthcare information or highly secure information, and they need to keep it locked in their own servers, and they're afraid to expose that data by moving on to the cloud. So there is a way to address virtually any security problem you can imagine. The 5th thing to do if you're thinking about moving to the cloud is to take some time to look forward and understand how you're going to leverage the cloud. There's a real chance for change while you're moving to the cloud, and you don't want to blow that. If you can pass that 5-point test, then you should be ready to start making a serious plan for going to the cloud.